Hello and welcome to another video from iDrive Driving School. We're here in Rochdale where the pass rate is only 39%, and as you've seen in our previous videos, we have been trying to help you be aware of those places so that percentage can improve. Now, a number of instructors have requested us to do this video today in a particular place where most commonly people fail their driving tests. So let's go take this journey with me and let's go find out what exactly should and shouldn't be done. Let's go. Right guys, here we are at the Rochdale Driving Test Centre. We're just going out of the car park now. And we're going to show you another place where most commonly people are failing on their driving test. It's turning right at the end of this road. Please do subscribe, like and share for more regular content like this. Your support means everything. Be careful coming out of the test centre there, especially when there's cars parked on both sides. Just take your time going, don't rush your way out here. We're going to turn right at this roundabout. Our view on the right isn't very clear, so I'm just going to creep forward a little bit. There we go, it looks good. And then we've got a zebra crossing as soon as we turn. I think this one might cross, so yep, was expecting him to cross. So whilst I'm waiting for him to clear the zebra crossing, I'm just going to scan both ways. And then once both feet are off the crossing, I can proceed forward. So coming down Crawford Street, guys, you got to give way on the to oncoming cars here. You got a sign there. If you don't see the sign, you can see the obstruction on the left. There's also a yellow box there. Do avoid that if you are waiting for oncoming cars. Now from here we do have priority, however it's not safe for me to go, so we're just going to wait here until I can see that it's safe for me to proceed. Even though I do have priority, cars are not giving way, so as the driver it is your responsibility to make sure you take the safe course of action. Again, it is a 20-mile-per-hour road. I've only managed to get up to about 10 miles per hour so far. And then you can see the signs again. So here I've got priority. If you don't see the sign, you can see the obstructions on the right side. Our lane is clear, so we've got priority here. And then the speed limit changes from 20 to 30 from this point onwards. So again, the road is not really suitable to do 30, as you got a lot of cars parked on the right, cars pulling up. Sometimes you get people crossing the road or cars pulling out from these garages on the right hand side. And this is where most commonly people fail here. Now you'll be asked, if you are asked to turn right at these lights, look at the signs. It's a one-way road. So we need to position on the right side if you're turning right, like you would do at the end of any one-way road if you're turning right. So we're just going to wait here. Now remember, whilst you're waiting here, you do need to look out for the oncoming vehicles. If there are cars coming from the opposite side to our right, going in the same direction that we're going, then we do need to give them way. Now, if you look at the car on the opposite side, he's got no signal on, so I actually do not know which way he's going. He could be going left, he could be going right, we don't know. So what I'm going to do, when the opportunity comes on it and our lights change, my target is just to make my way to the center of the junction and make sure I understand where that car's going before I make my decision. So our light should be changing any moment now. There we go. So I'm just going to make my way to the center. He's put his signal on and now I can go. So remember, only go away if you know you're not going to cause the oncoming car to slow down, stop or swerve because of you turning. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that helps. Please do tune in for more videos. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you.